Manifesting through you is a workshop that is all about you connecting with your natural self and actually really recognizing the unique quality of your being and going into the space that was never touched by experiences, that was never touched by difficulties or but even the pleasant moments of life. And really understanding that what we really are is not made out of experiences. When we reach into this pure presence of our being, into the uniqueness of our being, and being able to very clearly recognize it for what it really is, the deconditioning is a natural process. Because then the being recognizes that this is a self. And everything else that was created through the experiences were just ideas and impressions and notions and beliefs. So yes, we go there into a process of letting go of all this kind of stuff, but first we create a very clear point of reference into our own being. It's a more gentle process, and for that we use basically a lot of shamanic work, shamanic energy healing work, through which we create the energetic frame that contains this beautiful pure space where you can just arrive there, and just by being there you can connect directly with the space. So we reach into this space that is beyond theories, beyond stories, beyond experiences, and we touch what is already there from the beginning, and we start awakening that and bring it into the surface.